Alright guys, what's happening? Captain Dave here, Salty Hoosiers. As you can see, we are not on the Salty Hoosier today. We are on a 23-foot Manitou doing a charter for a family that's coming to visit. We're over here at Maximo Park. Got this nice big cobia getting ready to launch. Hopefully I'm not taking up too much room here. Anyway, it's going to be a fun day. Probably head over to Shell Key or Egmont, don't know yet. That's a game time decision. Anyway, just another ho-hum day here in paradise. Stay salty.